Several tips are provided by New Jersey's, which provides eyelash extensions. By 2028, eyelash extension sales will increase from USD 1.36 billion to USD 2.31 billion, according to a study. Ash Santiago, a licensed esthetician, recommends eyelash extensions to women seeking more volume, dimension, or length. Aftercare habits for lash extensions include cleaning them twice a day and drying them completely. Keep eyelash extensions clean by not swimming at the beach, by avoiding oily makeup around the eyes, and by choosing the right extensions for different eye shapes. If you want volume, character, or longer lashes, eyelash extensions are the perfect way to draw attention to your eyes, said Ash Santiago, owner and licensed esthetician. As a lash artist, we can create the perfect look that lasts for weeks at a time. Ash Santiago is a beauty specialist in New Jersey offering high-quality and stylish eyelash extensions, professional makeup, waxing, and facial services. Her premier eyelash extension services have been touted as one of the best lash extension services in New Jersey. Click on the link below and subscribe to our channel to learn more.